Malco and the offset aluminum handled 12-inch snips for RSG. The Malcos and the offset aluminum handled 12-inch snips are ideal for cutting vinyl siding, aluminum, copper, or sheet metal. These snips have a sleek head design that improves maneuverability, making them capable of cutting tight shapes like vinyl siding J-channel. With a full 3-inch cutting length, straight cuts are fast and easy to make. The handles of these snips have multiple openings to accommodate different hand sizes, and the blades can easily be replaced in the field. ToughBuilt GelFit Stabiliser Knee Pads. The ToughBuilt GelFit Stabiliser knee pads offer a new way for professionals to use their knee protection. With a patented system, the Stabiliser snap shell can be removed or switched with other shells, allowing for customized knee pads for each job. The unique design provides stability and comfort with a wide footprint and ergonomic gel and foam. The high side walls prevent twisting, and the EVA leg straps hold the pads securely in place without restriction. These durable knee pads are built to withstand even the toughest working conditions. Dynello Bandage Roller. The Dynello Bandage Roller is the quickest and easiest way to roll up horse bandages or sports wraps. With a clever design, the bandage is aligned and stretched while rolling, making storage and use easier. Rolling a 3-meter horse bandage takes less than 7 seconds. It's user-friendly, maintenance-free, and can be used at school, in the stable, or in the sports arena. The Dynello Bandage Roller can roll washed, worn, or wet bandages, including horse bandages, sports bandages, medical cloth bandages, or hand bandages, up to 100 millimeters wide. It operates manually with a hand crank or with a cordless drill, building on the fast winder design. Klein Tools Adjustable Head Construction Wrench. The Klein Tools Adjustable Head Construction Wrench is a versatile tool that can be used to fasten bolts and nuts with 1 2-inch square drive hex sockets. It features a reversible ratchet mechanism and eliminates the need for carrying several fixed-size wrenches. The tool is made from select alloy steel with a continuous taper handle that allows for easy alignment of bolt holes. It is finished in industrial black for added corrosion resistance. ToughBuilt Tex XL Rolling Massive Mouth. The ToughBuilt Tex XL Rolling Massive Mouth Bag is designed with size in mind. The patent pending opening is the widest in the market, providing superior accessibility, and it's compatible with all of ToughBuilt's Clip-Tech pouches for ultimate tool organization. The hard body construction provides protection and retains its shape, while also being lightweight and portable. The external pockets are flexible and securely hold tools in place. Made with high-quality, durable materials, smooth metal bearings, weatherproof poly tires, and heavy-duty reinforcement, this tough bag can handle the demands of professionals in any environment. RZ Parquet Cutting Machine. The RZ Parquet Cutting Machine is specially designed for cutting doors, door frames, baseboards, and skirtings. It is ideal for installers of parquet or other floor coverings like carpets or ceramic. Equipped with a powerful motor, it delivers clean and precise cuts easily and quickly. The cutting height and depth can be adjusted with its millimeter gauges. The cutting depth allows you to cut doors in one pass. The machine also includes a dust collection nozzle and pipe for connection to an external dust collector. Woodpeckers Track Clamp Bench. The Woodpeckers track clamp bench tops keep your track clamps where they should be, in a track. No more struggling with holes in your RMFD table or similar. Instead, slide your clamps into a slot, similar to the one on the bottom of your Festool, Makita, or Trident track saw guide rail. The CNC machine tracks in the benchtops are compatible with any brand or style of clamp designed for use with track saws. You can position your clamps anywhere along the track and lock them with one hand while you hold your work with the other. These 1-inch thick Baltic birch laminated benchtops are available in 3 sizes to fit Woodpeckers' 2 router table leg sets in the Festool MFT. ABM30 Vertical Bar Auto Feed Trackless Beveller. The ABM30 is a powerful and efficient machine for steel plate beveling. With its auto feed mechanism, it can produce accurate and high-quality double-side bevels on the top, face, and bottom edges of steel plates with a thickness range of 8 to 60 millimeters. It doesn't require a track and can produce bevels at an angle of between -70 and +70 degrees with a width of up to 30 millimeters. Additionally, the machine has a milling head depth of 1 millimeter and allows for facing in both directions. Nocturna battery-powered worksite projectors vertical bar Geismar. The Nocturna battery-powered worksite projectors from Geismar are the perfect solution for all your worksite lighting needs. They feature a tripod with adjustable height that guarantees stability on any terrain, making it ideal for outdoor use. The LED lamps come with unbreakable polycarbonate tubes, ensuring that the lights are durable and long-lasting. Additionally, the magnetic lamp base makes it easy to position the light on other supports, allowing you to illuminate any area of your worksite with ease. With its battery-powered design, the Nocturna provides the flexibility you need to tackle any project without being tied down to a power source. Whether you're working on a construction site or an outdoor renovation, the Nocturna is the ideal lighting solution for your needs. Window lift prop from IMER Group. The IMER Group's side window hoist prop is a compact and efficient solution for construction sites or renovations that have limited operating space. This hoist prop allows you to quickly and easily install windows without the need for any assembly tools. The compact design makes it easy to transport and maneuver, so you can use it in a variety of applications. The adjustable height and stable tripod base ensure that the hoist prop remains secure and stable, even on uneven terrain, allowing you to complete your installation with confidence. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.